Okay guys, welcome back again to the yard 2. Okay, alright, loosen the seat guys, got it loosened. We're going to take this thing up out of here. Right now I don't know where I'm putting these. I guess I'm going to put them in the store shit, in the trailer back in the back of the yard. So we'll see if we can get the seat up out of here. Let's see if I got you guys so you can see it good. Can you see that? Yeah, you guys can see that. You can see that. Thing out on this side. Driver's side. We got screws over here. Yeah, we do. I should have had my other screwdriver. These things. These mosquitoes are biting me incredible. I don't want to stay here too long. They are eating. Terrible. Alright, let's move y'all in here. Hopefully you can see that. I think you can see it. Gotta pop this little thing right here out. And then squeeze, I guess. Don't squeeze it all, just pull. Alright. Lord. Alright. Mosquitoes are eating me up. These mosquitoes are getting fed today. Oh yeah, they're getting fed today. They are getting fed today. Oh man. Take it out of here. Yeah, let's get it out of here. I don't want to rip it. So should I just take it out on that side? Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna bring that thing back around. Bite it. Mosquitoes. Can't wait till the weather gets better. Nah, when I say better, I mean colder. Can't wait till the weather gets colder. So these damn mosquitoes can go away. These mosquitoes can go away. I don't care where they go. Just get away from here. Oh, she had money all in that damn seat. Money all in the seat. There you have it. Money is just dropping out of the seat. Let's count this money. Let's count this money. What I said, $1.75 I saw the last time. Let's see. See if we can get the rest to drop out. Some more up in there. The carrot just moving around. It's all up in there. Money. Was $1.75. I think it's more. Another quarter just dropped out. Couple of goddamn dollars in change. Don't want to break the seat for a couple of dollars in change. So let's see. Let's see how much we got. See how much we got here. We can buy us a good snack with this. Good snack, I tell you. Good snack. Okay. Think we already got it tallied all the way up. Yep. Here's what we're looking at, guys. Yeah. See that? Yes. I'm going to estimate that is around, it's a little bit over $3. I'm going to estimate that, okay? Let's see. Let's see if I'm right. Let's see if I'm right here. Okay? See if I'm right. I say a little over 3. Let's see. Okay. That's 1. I'm already off. I see that now. I'm already off. It's more than that. 2. Another quarter. That's not a quarter. It's a nickel. And my eyes. Okay. Thought we had more quarters than that. We got 2. Okay. 3. This one stick on here. Okay. Yep, I mean I was right. It's $3.89. $3.89 we have there, guys. So yeah, we can buy us a little snack. We can go to McDonald's and buy a snack with that. We can buy a Mac chicken sandwich. We can probably buy a Mac chicken sandwich. And I doubt it. When they drink were $1, when their drinks were $1, I bet you we can buy a Mac chicken sandwich and a large drink for $1 when all the drinks were $1. But Now they done raised their price so high, so nah. I know I can buy a McChicken sandwich and maybe something else too, but yeah. So yeah. Especially I could buy a hamburger and a drink for sure. Probably 2 hamburgers and a drink if they were the price they were years ago. Not that long ago, but a few years ago. Prices are so high now. But yeah, there you go. I'm gonna screw these screws back in these holes, in the seat holes, because you don't want to lose these things. We don't want to lose these, so I'm gonna screw these back in the holes so they will be here when we go to reinstall the seats. They will be here. There you go. Let me get them on the other side as well. I'm gonna go over there and get eat up by these mosquitoes. Oh Lord. They're trying to get me over here, but I'm gonna put these 2 in right here. Put this one in. Quickly, get away from me. Get away from me, you stupid mosquitoes. Get yo. Get yo. I say get yo. Get yo. Alright, put this one in. I'm gonna rush over there quick and get the other 2. Alright. Got those 2. It's gotta be quick. Bite up over here by mosquitoes. They're vicious. These mosquitoes are vicious. I'm telling you. They know it's about to end. It's about to end for them. They gotta go and hibernate somewhere. Gotta go somewhere. Trying to get as much blood as they can. Trying to get as much blood as they can. Alright guys, we got both seats out now. Got both seats out. That's gum. That's real gum. We got them out. Yes. We got the seats out of here. So now, gotta move that back one out of here. Get that back cup. The seat and the back part. Gotta get those out of here because I'm gonna light this sucker up with some pressure washing in here. I'm gonna pressure wash this sucker, bro. I'm gonna pressure wash inside this car. I was gonna do up there, but I don't want to mess up those padding up there. I don't want to mess these padding up. I don't want to mess those up. Those padding. Yeah, I don't want to mess those up. But might have to, don't know, but I want to get in here. I want to spray this sucker down. I want to spray this sucker down like James Brown. I'll just say that. I don't know why I said it. Don't make sense. But yeah, you get the grip. So we got the seats out. Now, gotta get the last seat out, but I think this is gonna be enough for the day, period. I done made, what, how many videos? 4 videos today? This is the 4th one, right? Or the 5th one. This is the 5th. This is the 4th or 5th video. I forgot. So, I think this is gonna be enough for today. Before I wrap it up, I'm gonna wrap it up now with you guys, but I'm gonna have to get my vacuum and vacuum that side, get all this glass up, get all that walnuts and them swirls or whatever. And we're gonna be done for today. Then I can go edit these things and get one of them up on YouTube for you guys. Okay, that's the end. We'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, share. And we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. Yard 2, not 1. Peace.